We've officially lost count of the days, so this is day X. Okay, finishing off the electricals today. The big goal is to get the box sitting where it is. So our electrical system has been tested over the last couple of weeks and is working fantastic. So now we're gonna build a box around it, put the thing inside, and last but not least, wire everything up, including the fan. So big day. Deciding on the size of the box right now. So the two things we got to put in there is the controller and the battery. Everything else can be mounted on top because we got it all, you know, fancy. I got our power box. This is where all our electricity is going.
Great.
Because it's on an angle. A fitting issue. This thing needs it going on an angle, and we like measured it exactly. So we're gonna take the leg, put it on the other side, take the leg of the bed and put it on the other side so that we have a little bit more room to wiggle this thing in. Okay, we are done test fitting our electrical system, so it's going to look like this. There's plenty of space for everything. We have the battery, which will then be wired into this, and then we have our little fuse box, which will be tied to the side like that. This is where we're this way. This is where we're gonna have wires running from the battery to here, and also the battery to the fuse box. And this is how we're going to power all of our stuff. So now Tia's gonna take this box away, paint it a nice color, while we actually do the wiring and hook everything up. And then we'll be ready to do the fan. So, making progress. Okay, we're gonna use this thing. Tia's filming over there.
All right, these guys are working on wiring the van. And in the meantime, because there's just not enough space for all of us in there, nor do you need 3 people to wire it, I am going to be... You see that? Andy's trying to cut into my vlog. Anyway, I am trying to paint these wooden boxes white so that they match the inside of the van. All right, Andy, you go.
All right, my turn. We got this little switch here. And what we're gonna do to this is have a quick way of cutting the power to the controller, so that if we ever need to reset the controller, we don't need to jiggle with the wires. We just press this, hold it for a second, and let it go.
You can see our nicely built and painted box. And we are finally putting all the electrics in. Oh, careful.
Okay. What is this one going in this way?
Oh, you like the way in here?
Yeah, but is it going to come in this way?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, okay. We're trying to get things at tight places. Need a shorter drill bit.
Okay.
Good.
Okay, Andy and my dad worked on the electrical today. Everything is packed away nicely in this bin here. We still have a couple of things to do, but our fan is wired. So moment of truth. I'm kidding, we already tested it to make sure. But ow. And on. And it works.
Day X wrap up. All right, what a big day. So we got everything wired, period. 100% of all the things that we can wire are wired. Now we are debating whether or not to wire in our USB LED lights, which we'll probably do, but that's just connecting something to the fuse box. So overall, we have electrical. It's a huge monumental day, meaning we're almost at the end of the build. Very excited. What else? I don't know. It's just finishing touches at this point. Yeah, super exciting.